Okay, let's talk about try catch and then try catch finally. Now, I know most of the times people use this with async await, but in this video, I'm just gonna show you synchronously what try does, what catch does, and what finally does. So the point of try and catch, when you have a try block, you need either a catch block or a finally block. So try allows you to do things that gives you an error, but does not stop your code from executing. So if I do something crazy in try, like no.wow is equal to 10, I don't get an error. In catch, you can pass in whatever variable you want, and this will hold the value to whatever error that try caught. Okay? So let's call this ERR, and then in catch, I'm going to console.log ERR. Okay, we see that, oh, you can't set properties of null because it's primitive. So now, even after that error, you can still write code. Okay? Like this, ar.push 100 console.log arr, right? And then even in the global scope, you can do something else too. Blah, blah, blah. See, this actually ran even though this was an error. Okay, so I see a lot of people stuff a bunch of stuff in try. Now, let's see, console.log try ran. I'm gonna delete this. Notice that we don't see line 13 saying that try ran. If we delete this error, we see it. We put it back, we don't. Okay. So try will actually stop executing its block of code after it encounters the first error. Okay. So that means even if you have another error down here, you don't get an error, but it will never catch this error because once it encounters the first error, it stops running any of these. It passes the reason for this error down to catch. Okay. And catch now can use that error value however it wants. Okay, okay, let's talk about finally. Finally takes in no arguments. Let's see what it does. Okay. So finally runs after try, after catch. And to have a finally, you need a try, but you don't need a catch. Okay. So what happens if we delete catch? Okay. So now we have this error, which our JavaScript caught right here. Now, normally, this line should not have ran. But if you look at the console, we still ran the finally. Okay? So even though there's no catch, the try block allows JavaScript's error to not stop your code. And then the finally says, okay, now I can run my code. So it runs its code first. But then now, since there's no catch, the JavaScript engine says, okay, finally already finished running. Now I'm going to throw an error and stop your program. Yeah. But you can make finally as long as you want. Yeah. Console.log, I am finally, and then console.log, ar.push, blah, blah, whoops. Okay. And then we can see that the finally, all of its code ran perfectly fine. In order to, done, I am finally, and the console.log is an array. Okay. And now the error throws in and it says, whoa, okay, I'm going to stop you.